morning, students. I'm here with another exciting story.
Zeke and the Pop Bird. Zeke, Blip, Mr. Moon. Written by Jill McDougall. Illustrated by Tom Bonson. Today we are going to the Space Zoo, said Mr. Moon. Everyone got onto the space bus. Zoom! Soon they were at the zoo. Zeke had some popcorn for the Pop Bird. It likes popcorn, said Zeke. I like popcorn too, said Blip. Zeke and Blip heard a cry. They went to find out what it was. The Pop Bird got out, said the zookeeper. Oh no, said Zeke. We will help you to find it. Zeke and Blip searched the zoo. They saw an animal with lumps and bumps. It was called a lumposaurus. They saw an animal with dots and spots. It was called a spotty dotty. They could not see the Pop Bird. Plop! Something fell on Zeke. Yuck! Said Zeke. The Pop Bird was in a tall tree. It would not come down. Zeke and Blip had a plan. They put some popcorn under the tree. They put popcorn all the way back to the Pop Bird's home. Come and get the popcorn, said Zeke. Down came the Pop Bird. It ate some popcorn. Then it ate some more. It went all the way back to its home. Good job, Zeke, said the zookeeper. Now, let's all have some popcorn.
Bye, students. Thank you for watching the story. See you next time.